What's inside a giant squid's brain? Earth's most alien creature. For decades, humanity has pointed radio telescopes toward the stars, desperate for a glimmer of extraterrestrial intelligence. We've imagined minds entirely foreign to our own, shaped by environments we can barely comprehend. But we are looking in the wrong direction. You don't need a spaceship to find an alien mind. You just need to descend into the crushing, pitch black abyss of our own oceans. Down there, in the freezing dark, logical genius. It is an ancient predator, as long as a school bus. Yet, the most terrifying thing about the giant squid isn't its tentacles. It is the highly advanced, completely bizarre computer operating inside its head, hiding an anatomical secret that defies all logic. Picture this: a biological supercomputer wrapped around a digestive highway. The central nervous system of the giant squid is not safely encased in a thick, protective skull like ours. Instead, its brain is shaped exactly like a massive, fleshy donut, roughly the size of a large grapefruit. And right through the dead center of this neural ring runs the squid's esophagus. Every time this apex predator swallows a chunk of deep-sea prey, that meal must slide directly through the middle of its own mind. It is a terrifying architectural gamble by nature. Yet, this bizarre command center is specifically engineered to process an overwhelming flood of visual input, wiring itself directly to sensory organs so enormous they almost defy comprehension. In the deep, unforgiving dark of the abyss, sunlight is a myth. Yet, the giant squid is a ruthless visual hunter, equipped with eyes the size of large dinner plates, the largest of any known animal on Earth. To process the massive influx of data from these colossal lenses, a staggering portion of its donut-shaped brain is entirely dead, dedicated to giant optic lobes. This is a biological marvel built to detect the faintest, ghostly flash, these of bioluminescence from hundreds of feet away. It is a silent evolutionary arms race, waged in an absolute blackness, where seeing the invisible is the only way to survive. But this extraordinary neural machinery doesn't just control its vision. It commands a sprawling physical empire that pushes the boundaries of life itself. To truly grasp the sheer scale of this biological empire, you have to examine the colossal wiring that powers it. The giant squid possesses the largest nerve fibers ever discovered on Earth. In a human, nerve fibers are microscopic threads. But in this abyssal leviathan, its giant axons are biological cables as thick as a standard wooden matchstick. This was no cosmic coincidence. When you are piloting a muscular, tentacled vessel stretching further than a school bus, a split-second delay means death. These massive neural highways allow electrical commands to fire at lightning speeds across its enormous frame, coordinating explosive bursts of jet propulsion. It is the absolute apex of invertebrate engineering. But even the most brilliant biological machine ever forged in the dark hides a catastrophic vulnerability. Every biological empire harbors a fatal flaw. And for the giant squid,